Now it's time to quickly show you around Adobe Premiere Pro. I will quickly run through every window within the workspace editing. Now, if you are here for the first time, it might be a little overwhelming to see all those windows and options. So let's start off by quickly introducing every window. We are using the so-called workspaces. You could see them up here. Workspaces are spaces for a specific task. You, for example, got a workspace for editing to get all the essential editing tools within one tab. Or one for color, to have all the color tools within one tab. Right now we're going to edit. So just choose the editing workspace. If you can't find the workspace, just go up here to Window, then Workspaces, and select the workspace you want. The blue border around the window indicates that we have selected that window. The left up window is your effect control window. With this window you can change footage, fonts, opacity, size, and so on. Within this same window we also got a source window. With the source window you can preview footage before importing it to your timeline. Next to this window we've got effects. Effects are all the effects you could apply to your clips. That could be transitions, presets, audio, and video effects. Next to the effects tab we got program window. In this window you could see the playback of your timeline. This window is how your final video will look after exporting. With the program window you can zoom in by clicking on the fit option left under in the window. You also have controls like going a few frames forward, backwards, or pause. Underneath to the right we've got the audio graph. I will later introduce this window. On the left we got the program window with all the files you might want to use within your project. Next to the right side of that we got the toolbar. With this toolbar you could add a text box to your video, cut between footage, select footage, and use a pen tool. And the last and most important window is the timeline. With the timeline you could order and place the footage in the way you want your final video to appear. Using audio and footage layers, cutting footage, applying transitions, and setting the length of your clip. That's all you need to know for now. Let's go to the next subject.